This is a 2006 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 6.0-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a navigation system, a sunroof, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, adjustable driver pedals, cruise control, rear audio controls, running boards, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Not to mention that this GMC qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.